Yes, hello, be at home. This is Lorato Orapeleng, and I'm here at Gemstone Search, and I want you to be at home to vote for me because I believe that I have the potential that I was actually born with TV, or TV has invented for me. Yes, and I live in Pakalani, and yeah, that's pretty much about me. But yeah, my favorite color is blue, and yeah, you know. So most people know me as Lorato Lolo. So please vote for me. Yes. This is the #1 television program right here in Botswana. We are presenting live all the way from President Hotel, and this is Lorato Orapeleng for you on your TV screen. And I want you at home to be inspired to stand up and come here and show us what you have and what you have in that sealed little box. And I know everybody out there has something to show Botswana. So stay tuned because we're going for a break. Catch you on the flip side.